Hi everyone, hope you all are safe. Today we are making two different types of rice porridges or kanjis which you can have during Ramadan. They are very simple and you can make them easily at home. So first I will be making the masala kanji, for which I am cooking a few mutton pieces with 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. While that's cooking, I will be cooking the rice on another side. Into the pressure cooker, I have added 1.5 cups of jeera chamba rice, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds and around 3 cups of water. So let this cook. Meanwhile, preparing the masala, 1 cup coconut grated. Into that, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3 green chilies, you can add a little bit more, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1.5 teaspoons black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. I have also added a few curry leaves. Grind this into a smooth paste. Now meanwhile our stock is ready. I've taken only bone pieces for this. So this is the stock which I'm going to add into the kanji. Meanwhile, the rice has cooked. Now we need to smash this really well, adding water little by little and just getting a nice smooth paste from this. Now you can add the salt and, as I told you, add water little by little and let it come to a boil. Since the cooker was full, I used a bigger container and poured the coconut paste which we had ground first into that, adding a little bit of water, followed by the mutton stock. Now if you want to make this a vegetarian one, you can avoid the mutton stock, and then finally adding the smashed rice which we had cooked really well. All this need to come together, so for this we need to boil this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Check the salt and add more if needed. You can adjust the consistency of the water too. It should be a little bit on the watery side because once it cools a bit, it has to be of a pourable consistency. Preparing the tempering, adding around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and adding 2 red chilies and a handful of curry leaves, and pour this directly onto the rice porridge or kanji and give it a little bit of a mix, and there your kanji is ready to serve. This warm and healthy rice porridge or kanji go very well with pyre or chammandi as a combination. Next is an extremely easy and flavorful kanji, and again I am using jeera chamba rice. Again we will be cooking this along with a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and just will be adding around 4 to 5 shallots along with that, and I'm adding salt earlier here. So cooking this with 2 cups of water. So the star ingredient of this kanji is this dried ginger or chukka. You'll need a big piece here, maybe around 1 to 1.5 inch long, because this is the main ingredient in this kanji. So I've crushed that first and added that along with a few garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and I've ground that into a fine paste. Our rice has cooked, so giving that a good smash and adding into that the ground coconut and a dried ginger mixture, and let this come to a very good boil for around 10 minutes, and that's it. The kanji is ready. This dried ginger kanji or chukka kanji is extremely tasty and flavorful, and it's very easy to make. So give this a try, and it goes as a great combination with tapioca. Try this out this Ramadan and enjoy.